Wherever you are, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Event Channel. The worst floods in Pakistan. The scale of the devastation and worst caused by the worst floods will require families to undergo a recovery process that may last for several months, if not years. The floods had a severe impact on 33 million people, causing the loss of over 1,700 lives and damaging or destroying more than 2.2 million houses. In addition, the floods caused significant damage to water systems in affected areas, resulting in over 5.4 million people, including 2.5 million children, having to rely on contaminated water from ponds and wells. An estimated 20.6 million people, including 9.6 million children, require humanitarian assistance in the wake of the disaster. Unfortunately, the hardest-hit districts are amongst the most vulnerable in Pakistan, where malnutrition rates are high, access to water and sanitation is poor, and school enrollment rates are low. As a result of the floods, frail and hungry children are battling severe acute malnutrition, diarrhea, malaria, dengue fever, typhoid, acute respiratory infections, and painful skin conditions. In addition to physical ailments, the prolonged crisis also poses a significant risk to the mental health of children. Subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.